Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Coding Cure. Today I'll discuss the most important interview question on Stream API. So if you are preparing for Java developer role, then in each and every interview you might get this question. Okay, this type of logical question, and they will ask definitely. Okay, so let's get started without delay. So first of all, we need to remove all the vowels from a given string. So remove all the vowels. Suppose I have a string str equal to, let's say, hello world. So here if you'll see, the vowels is E and O. So we need to remove all the vowels. The outputs should be H, L, L, W, R, L, D. Right? Then how we can solve this problem using stream API? So first of all, what I can do, I will convert this string to a int stream. How we can do? Str dot chars. So it will convert to a int stream. That means H have some ASCII value, E some ASCII value, L some ASCII value. Then I will filter. If this contains E, then I should not take that one, right? Then dot filter of ch. So here what we can do, I need to check if this H is a vowel or not. How we can check? Here I take one string which is A E I O U and capital A E I O U. So this is a vowel, right? If I check this H is vowel or not, then I need to check dot contents of, it required some string value, right? But it is a int string. Then how we can pass? So here first I need to convert this to character. Okay, so character char, I just type a string of ch. Now I will convert this character to a string. How? We can use string dot value of, then I can pass this one. So here I have filter if this is a vowel or not, but we need to remove the vowel, right? So I need to check the not condition here. If it is not a vowel, then we can read the value. Then now H is not a vowel, right? Then H will come. Then I will collect all these one into a string. And how we will collect? So first of all, we need to convert this one to string value. Dot map to object, and I'll read one by one. Then what I can do, I'll convert this one as a string. So string dot value of ch, but I need to convert this to character. So here ch, but I need to typecast to character char. Okay, so now I just collect of collectors dot joining. Yeah, that's it. It will return a string value. Yeah, let's print s out of collect. Okay, just run this application. Yeah, H L L W O W R L D. So it remove all the vowels. Okay, next go to the second question. Second question is convert a list of string to uppercase. So let's say this is a arrays. I created one list arrays dot as list of, suppose Ram. This will return a list of string. So this is a name list. So we need to convert this string to then uppercase. How we can do? So name list dot stream, then dot we can do like map, then we can pass string double colon to uppercase, then dot to list. Okay, so it will return a list of again string. So this is upper list. Let's print this s out upper list. Yes, all the string is converted to capital letter. Now go to the next question. Count the frequency of word in a given string. Suppose I have a string called string is equal to, let's say, Java and Python and Java and HTML. Okay, like this. This is a string. Okay, so we need to count how many times Java came and how many times Python came and how many times HTML came. So how we can solve? So first of all, this is a string, right? We have to convert this string to stream, right? How we can create the stream? Arrays dot stream, and inside this stream we have to pass the array. So we can convert the string to array by splitting based on space. So how we can do st dot split and space. So based on the space, I am splitting this string to an array. Now what we can do, we can group by like collect and collectors dot grouping by. So I just grouping by based on the word, right? So Java and Java, this is, it will make it as one group, and Python only one time is there, so it will one group like that. Here I will use lambda expression word comma collectors dot counting. Yeah, so it will return a map. Yeah, just print it as out of collect one. Let's print this one. Yeah, Python one time came, Java two time came, HTML one time came. So go to the next question, occurrence of each character. Suppose I have a string s equal to welcome to my coding here. So here I need to count like how many times W came, how many times E came. Here also similar thing, but here we have count the word. Okay, but here we have to count the character. How we can do? We can do similar way. So here first we can convert this string to array. How? So s dot chars. So it is a int stream. Int stream is nothing but primitive stream. Okay. Then so here I will use dot map to object. So why? Because this is a int stream, so it will come as a ASCII value. So I have to convert this one to character. So ch. Now I have to convert this one to character, right? So I need to type casting here character. Now after I will convert it to character, I will read one by one and grouping together, right? So here just collectors dot grouping by. So it will come one by one, right? So ch, then ch comma collectors dot counting. So it will return a map. Yeah, just print it collect of 2. Yeah, the space came 4 times, C came 3 times, like this. If you will see here, instead of lambda expression, we can also write function dot identity. This one also it will work. Now go to the next question. Length of the each word in a string. Suppose I have a string. Let's say this is same string. Okay. Oh, it's my bed. This is welcome, and this is also welcome. Okay. So this is str1, let's say. I need to find out the length of the each word. Like welcome is 5 length, right? 2 is 2 length, my 2 length, coding 5 length, cure 4 length. So we have to count the length of the each word, right? So here first I have to convert this string to the stream. How? Arrays dot stream. Then stream require array, right? So I can convert this string to the array. How I will convert? str1 dot split based on the space. After splitting, one by one will come. First welcome will come, then 2 will come, then my will come. Then here I have to keep this word and its length, right? So I have to keep the string as well as the length. So I can create the map, right? So here we can do collect of collectors dot to map. So why I will just use the to map? Because I just wanted to hold this string value as well as its length value in key and value pair. That's why I created the map here. So here I use the lambda expression word one by one will come, then word comma string double colon length. So here I use the method reference and it will return a map. So let's print it as out of collect 3. Let's run. Yeah, here coding 6 time came, 2 time came, care 4 time. But if you will see here, first coding came, then 2 came, like this. Suppose interviewer will ask, first welcome is there, so first welcome should come, then 2 will come. So order should be follow. Then how we can do? Here by default hash map is creating. So we can use the linked hash map. This is your task and try to solve by yourself by using linked hash map, and please comment here who has got the answer. Okay, go to the next question. So find the first non-repeating character. Suppose I have a string str3 equal to, suppose a b c d, then again b, then d. Okay, so here a only one time, b came two time, d also came two times, c came one time. So non-repeating means b is repeated. Okay, d also repeated. So we have to find out the non-repeating character. Non-repeating character is a and c, but first non-repeating character is a, right? So we have to check using the stream API. So how we can check? First, convert this string to stream. So arrays, otherwise we can convert this string to int stream directly. str3 dot chars, so it will convert to int stream. Then dot, you can do map to object of, so I just converted to character. Okay, character ch. Now after converted to character, I just count the frequency. So we have already discussed how we can count the frequency of the character right here. So yeah, this is the count of frequency. So in the similar way we can try to solve here also. We can do the collect, then collectors dot grouping by of, grouping by of function dot identity, comma, then collectors dot counting. Okay, now we can get the how many times a came, how many times b came. Now then we can filter out who is coming only one time. So dot, we can do like entry set. Okay, then again dot stream. After that what we can do, we can filter whose value is 1. Okay, so here we can use dot filter one entry. So this is a map, right? So how this one it will come, like a1 inside map, b2, c1, d2, right? So one entry, right? So entry, then entry dot get value. If the entry dot get value equal to 1, that means non-repeating character I am accessing. So filter will do what? It will return a as well as it will return the c, but I need the first one, right? We can do find first. Yeah, it will return a map of first. Okay, it will return a map, then on first non repeated character as out of first non repeated character dot get. Yeah, it will print a. This is the first non-repeating repeating character. But here the twist came. Suppose here c came and here a is there. Now the first non-repeating character is which one? C, right? So if I run this one, still a came. Why? Because this is a map, right? So when it will grouping by, so it is by default it is using hash map. So I have to use the order also, right? Then how we can do? Using the linked hash map. So create linked hash map object here. Okay, so just rerun this one. Yeah, now c equal to 1. That means the c is the first non-repeating character. Now the interviewer will ask, find the first repeating character. Similarly, repeating character. Then same solution, but instead of checking equal to 1, you need to check equal to 2 or greater than greater than 1. We can check. So before moving to next question, if you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel. Okay, go to the next question. Write a program to find the second highest element. Suppose this is a array, and okay, this is an array. We have to find the second highest. The second highest is 7, right? Yeah. First I need to convert this one to string, right? How will convert it to string? Arrays dot stream. I'll pass this array. Now dot. So find the second highest. Second highest is 7, right? So here we can do like first I can do the sorted. So if you'll see, this is not a sorted array, right? We can make it as sorted. So here we can sorted, but how I'll sorted? Sorted based on the descending order, right? So here comparator dot reverse order. If you'll use this one, then it will sort. Yeah, dot, why it is giving error, expected 0 argument but found 1. Okay, maybe this one, this is a int stream, right? So int stream is nothing but it's a primitive stream. So we need to convert this one to stream of integer. How will you convert? We can use the boxed. Okay, so this int stream is nothing but primitive stream, but this is a integer stream. Okay, so now we can sorted, and how I'll sorted in descending order. So if you use this comparator dot reverse order, then it will descending order, it will be sort. Then after descending order, second highest, then first one I need to, like first 8, then 7, then 6, 5 will come, right? Then first one I need to skip. Then how we will do? Skip of 1. The first element will skip, then dot find first. So it will return a integer value. Yeah, second highest element. Okay, so here just print out this one, second highest element. Yeah, the second highest element is 7. What? Okay, dot get. Suppose here 8 2 times came. Okay, or 3 times came 8, and 6 also 2 time came, 7 also 2 time came. Then here second highest is 7. Okay, but let's print, but here it says 8. Okay, so we have to remove the duplicates before processing the second element. How? Either we can do here dot distinct. Okay, so once distinct I can skip. Yeah, now 7 came. Okay, go to the next question. Longest string in n strings. Suppose I have a string str4 equal to, and okay, this is a string. Okay, here the longest is this one, right? Because the length of this word is 5. Sorry, 6. This is 2, this is 5, and this is 4. So the longest string is this one. We can convert this string to array. Then I'll pass this array to the stream. So first of all, arrays dot stream, and we can pass str4 dot split of space. Based on space, I just splitted the string. Then I convert this array to the stream. Then what we can do here, we need to find the maximum length, right? Longest string means what? Whose length is maximum, right? So we'll use max method, and inside this max method we can compare the length. How we can do? Comparator dot comparing it of string double colon length. Okay, it will return a string value. Yeah, longest string. Okay, s out of longest string dot get. Just run. Yeah, this is the longest. Suppose I have a one more word, let's say a b c d e f g. Okay, this is the longest one. Just run this one. Yeah, this is the longest. Okay, go to the next question. So the next question is calculate sum. Suppose I have a integer int num equal to 1 2 3 4 5. So here we need to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Then after adding, we need to return the total sum. So first of all, what we can do, I will convert this number into string. Then after converted to string, I will convert it to int stream, so that 1 will come, then 2 will come, then 3 will come, then 4 will come, like that. So first of all, what we can do, string dot value of num. So here first I converted to number to string. Now we can use chars method. Okay, so it is converted to int stream. So int stream is nothing but primitive stream, right? So here if I do map function and ch of, so here what we will do, so here 2 is a character, but it's a int stream. So 2 have some ASCII value, right? So the 0 is 48, 1 is 49, and 2 is 50. So make it as 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so 1 means ASCII value of this one is 49. So what we can do here, I can use ch minus character of 0. That means ch means this one will come. One ASCII value is 49 and 0 is a character and 0's ASCII value is 48. So 49 minus 48, how much? This is 1, right? So it will return a 1. Then I can add all these one sum. Okay, it will return and sum s out of sum. Let's run. Yeah, 15 came. So go to the final question. Find total number of count of particular word from a list. Suppose I have a list arrays dot as list of, I have one string, let's say Java space Python Java HTML. Okay, here one more string, again Java space CSS space and again HTML. Okay, again one more string is there, let's say Hadoop space Spark again Java. So here if you observe properly, this is a string and this is a string and this is a string. So this is a list of string and each string contain, let's say Java. Okay, I just wanted to count how many Java came. So in this string 2 times, in this string 2 times, in this string 1 time, total 5 time came. So I want to count this particular word in a given list of string. Okay, so here return list of list. So first of all, what I will do here, this is a string, right? So I will convert this string to an array based on space, so that it will return one array and this is one array and this is one array. Then finally all the array I will make it as flat map, so that it will convert to a one array. Okay, so I have to use the flat map here. So list dot stream, then dot flat map. So here we need to pass the stream, but here str, suppose I will use the lambda expression here, then str is nothing but this Java Python Java HTML. Okay, this is one string came. First of all, I will convert this string to array. How I will convert? So str dot split of based on space. I split it. Then I will, this is an array, right? I will convert this array to stream. So how we can use arrays dot stream, and inside this one we can pass this array. So it will convert to a flat map. So why it is giving error? Variable st is already defined in the scope. Okay, we can make it as word, and this is word. Okay, here after flat map all these one we can just filter out, like, so this is one array, so all this string is converted to one array now. So here I just filter out of word dot equals ignore case of Java. So if this word equals to this Java, then I will return that one, or I can collect it. Dot collect of collectors dot to list. Yeah, to list. So it will return a list of string. And just print out this one, collect of for. Yeah. Now okay. So we need to sorry, it's my bad. Here we need to count, right? So instead of collect it, we can make it as count. Yeah, count. And the return type is a long. So here we can count it, then print count. Okay, just run this one. Yeah, 5 times came. Now this is 1 2 3 4 and this is 5. So in this way we can solve this problem. So here I have explained total, I guess 8 9 10 11 question. So this is very important question in each of the interview. So if you whether you are a or 2 year 3 year 4 year or 5 plus of experience, you will get this type of question definitely. And please, if you do not have watched my video of Java 8 programming question, then please go through this playlist. This is Java 8 playlist, and watch all this video. So definitely you will get this type of question in interview. Okay, if you like my videos, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.